In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a coupon code in Etsy. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make sure your discount is applied correctly at checkout. First, open your browser and go to the Etsy website. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account so your basket and checkout process are saved properly. Once you're on the Etsy homepage, you'll be on your main marketplace dashboard, where you can see search options, categories, and recommended items based on your interests. From here, find the item you want to purchase. You can use the search bar at the top, browse through categories, or select something from your personalized recommendations. When you see an item you're interested in, click on it to open the detailed listing page. This page will show you photos, a description, available sizes or variations, shipping information, and reviews. Take a quick look to confirm things like color, size, or style, so you're adding exactly what you want. Once you're happy with your selection, look for the button that says Add to Basket or a similar option. Click that button and Etsy will place the item into your shopping basket. In many cases, you'll then see an option to view your basket or proceed to checkout. Go ahead and move to the basket or checkout page so you can apply your coupon. On the basket or checkout screen, you should see a summary of the items you're buying, along with prices, shipping, and taxes. Look for a link or button that says Apply Coupon Code or Apply Shop Coupon. Click on that. This will open a small field or box where you can type in your code. Next, click into the coupon code field and carefully type the code you've been given. Make sure you enter it exactly as it appears, paying attention to any letters, numbers, or dashes. Coupon codes are often case sensitive, and even a small typo can cause the discount not to work. After you've entered the code, click on the button labeled Apply. Etsy will then process the coupon and refresh your order summary. Take a moment to check that the discount has been successfully applied and that the total price has updated. Once everything looks correct, you can continue with your payment details and complete your purchase, now with your coupon code successfully used.